All right, so now let's get into the R&R activity. I just want you speakers to motivate the people here. So पहले हम एक R&R देख लेते हैं, उसके बाद में आपको opportunity मिलेगा लोगों को appreciate और motivate करने के लिए. All right, sir?
Yeah, sure.
Yes. So let's move on to the R&R activity here. So बच्चे, are you ready? Sir, request access to everyone.
Yeah, just a minute.
Praveen ji, your video is visible now.
Yes, yeah, people you can unmute yourself. That's not any concern. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, mute कर दिया सर, आपने मुझे mute कर दिया.
नहीं, now you are. Just unmute. I give the permission to all.
Yeah. So people, you all are on unmute now. You can unmute yourself. But जिस किसी का भी background noise आ रहा है, please वो mute कर दे, ताकि लोगों को थोड़ा अच्छे तरीके से सुनाई दे. So people, are you excited and ready for R&R?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
आवाज energetic नहीं आ रहा है. Speakers क्या सोचेंगे? इनके बच्चे बहुत weak है. Weak हो क्या?
No.
So ready for the R&R?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So we are not going to do an R&R like जैसे हमारा होता था वैसे तो हो नहीं पाएगा. I must say that. But yes, today we are going to see some of the a strong workers who really contributed with us. उन लोगों की कुछ चीजें हम देखेंगे और speakers भी आपको appreciate करने वाले हैं. So be in the same energy and you must respond. All right? कोई एक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइस के बगल में है वो थोड़ा दूर आ जाइए क्योंकि वो बहुत ज्यादा आवाज आ रही है.
Manali, please mute yourself.
Yes.
मनाली क्या से आ रहा है?
अच्छा नहीं कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. Let's she handle it.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm just going to show you a video here. I'm going to share a video here. So request everyone to please focus on to the video. उसके बाद में I'll tell you क्या कौन achieve किया है. All right?
Yes, ma'am.
So is my video visible?
Yeah, it's just sharing the screen. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it visible?
Yes.
So people, it's all your time, it's all your achievement. देख लो कौन आज award win किया है. Once we see this video, हम इसे देखते हैं. I'll specifically announce कौन ने क्या achieve किया है. All right? So I can smile onto your face. I'm really very happy. Ramvilas ji, I'm very happy to see your smile. वैसे भी आपको बहुत ज़्यादा appreciation मिल गया है. So never expect your name here. मैंने आपका नाम नहीं डाला है. Here we go, team.
बेटा आप साउंड शेयर कर दीजिए. प्लीज शेयर द साउंड आल्सो.
Parts and recognition. Ginger Tamaka peanuts. Wow, Miss Priyanka first position. Chris Wong.
Round of applause to Priyanka. And here comes Mrs. Sampada. Here comes Mr. Ramvilas. Here comes Miss Ankita.
Okay.
Here comes Mrs. Anada.
Audio नहीं है.
Mrs. Raj Jaspal. And we are all about the appreciation and the wonderful thing it makes.
Yeah, ma'am. How much?
And here comes the MC toppers, Miss Priyanka, Mrs. Sampada, and the Simran. here we go with the tally
Adam
of top
topper.
Miss Adam.
Full. नाही कशात नाही. चालू कर.
And here we go with the module topper, that is Miss
सिमरन जिंदाल.
And here we go with the TSS topper, Mr. Ramvilas. The best techie and bright cookie, that is Mrs. Dunita. The best social media transformer, Mr. Vijay. And the cash prize winners are here, that is Mr. Mayuresh, Mr. Praveen, Ms. Manali, and Mrs. Ashwini. So here we go, round of applause to everyone, people. Round of applause. Well, so this is what all about the toppers and the achievers. पूरा नाम, पूरा list, पूरा details यहाँ पे आप देख चुके हो. Now let us see the specified details here. So here I would like to share my screen. So before going ahead, people, are you happy?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Energy में
ma'am.
नहीं है आवाज. I really want to hear energy. Your speakers will really think, अरे कितनी boring team है. आप लोग boring team हो क्या?
No, 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 no. ma'am.
Then where is your energy? Come on. Yes, are you happy?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
They
Yes.
will put his energy in the work only. They don't want to put the energy in the reward.
Okay, नहीं. We'll do one thing. So अभी energy नहीं है ना. So the cash prize जो भी है, it's all going to transfer into my account. I'm not going to give it to your account.
Only not
Okay.
you. Is you will share with me also.
वो हम लोग बाद में पार्टी कर लेंगे.
Yeah.
Okay, people, moving ahead on to the presentation. So is it visible, Mr. Bhagwati? My presentation, is it
Yeah,
visible?
just coming.
Just 1 second, let me.
Yeah, now it's.
Yes, is it visible?
Yes.
Yes, it's visible. So altogether, just give me 1 moment. Let me fix this. All right. So people, I think you have already saw the details and the names जो भी आपने achieve किया है. But in specific, it is very, very essential. In specific, it is very, very essential that you must know what you have achieved. And मैं ये जरूर बोलूँगी कि in this there are many different criteria. Sir, I have done it. Please don't control now.
It's okay. Okay.
So in specific मैं ये बोलूँगी कि यहाँ पे exactly आपने achieve क्या किया है, and I must say what company has actually identified your best identified as your best work into like your complete all work, I can say. So this is Rajlakshmi Solutions Private Limited. As announced, this is the rewards and recognition of June-July Dhamaka 2021 winners. Wow! So coming like to the next slide, that is all about. This is the family of Rajlakshmi Solutions. This is specifically to the people who joined us to know about the organization. This is the family which is working from home, completely supporting 24/7. And moving ahead, wow, Miss Priyanka. So round of applause to Miss Priyanka. People. So Priyanka is heading the first position in June-July Dhamaka, and Priyanka is recognized here as a quick responder and an active speaker. Priyanka, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
So hi Priyanka, how do you feel? What do you feel? And are you really active speaker? Sorry, are you active speaker and quick responder?
Yes, of course, ma'am.
Really? Wow, that's really good to know, Priyanka. And Priyanka, this is analyzed by many different ways. This is to all the other people as well. Priyanka, quick responder in the sense there are many parameters which has been analyzed here. जैसे कि मैं बता सकती हूँ आप Netflix में जितना एक्टिव हो या फिर सोशल मीडिया के लाइक मैसेजेस आती है उसमें कितना एक्टिव हो या फिर कमेंट्स हो या फिर बहुत सारी चीजें. But I must say here very clearly, आपके बहुत close competitor है अंकिता. Okay, so Ankita, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Hey Ankita, so Ankita, I must say आपका बहुत सारे एक्टिविटी पे you scored well and you are to talk on all those activities, but आपका कहीं ना कहीं I must say it might be a revenue point of view, ठीक है ना कहीं प्रियंका से आप थोड़ा नीचे हो, but I think you can Priyanka. So Priyanka,
Yes.
your position is in threat by Ankita. So like what's going to happen next time पे ये प्रियंका के हाथ में रहेगा या अंकिता के हाथ में रहेगा?
मेरे हाथ में.
Of course.
Okay. So anyways, it is all about your efforts. So put on your efforts. So बहुत छोटे space में प्रियंका use and Priyanka, we are very happy. But Priyanka, I can say like by a couple of months, I can see you are a little like down. I don't know what's the reason. But अगर ऐसे down जाओगे तो ये अंकिता back कर लेगी. So I think you have to lose. So you should not do that, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Congratulations, Priyanka, and achieving. I hope this achievement is going to like long last forever. And as mentioned here, you are a quick responder. Be the quick responder everywhere. Okay? So like as we have like brought up with many parameters like status रखना, response करना, social medias देखना, या फिर revenue achieve करना, या फिर जो भी calls general chat में आती है उसको respond करना, sir के calls respond करना. So everything is added here. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, happy to see you smiling here. Keep your smile, and your award will be credited in your account shortly. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Congratulations once again. And coming back to the next position, it's Mrs. Sampada. So, Mrs. Sampada, are you here?
Yes, Deepa.
Hey,
Yeah,
Sampada.
good evening.
I'm not
Hi.
finding your smile. Where is your video? Yes, I found you.
Yes,
found you.
yes.
Hi. Yes. Happy to see you here, Sampada. Congratulations. And I must say, Sampada is asset to the organization, and you are doing good, Sampada. And you are standing here second position. And your best roles here is Sampada, that is best coordinator and handling. Wow, round of applause to Sampada. Come on, people.
Thank you, everyone.
Basically, Sampada, you are recognized here as a best coordinator and a team handler. Sampada, I must say the other titles are not here, so you must adapt the other titles also to back first position. All right?
Yes, of course.
The positions, what I said, Priyanka is handling better way, and there might be chances that you are lacking somewhere there. Okay?
Yes.
So
Yeah.
next
Thank you.
moment, it's all about your chance to back the first position, and Priyanka, you're competing with Sampada as well. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
So congratulations, Sampada. Heartfelt congratulations, and hoping the position is going to last forever.
Yes. Thank you.
And the next screen here is Mr. Ramvilas. So Mr. Ramvilas, are you here? Yes, Mr. Ramvilas, are you here?
Yeah, Deepa, I know.
स्माइल नहीं आ रही है, आवाज नहीं आ रही है. I don't understand, sir. I think there might be कहीं कोई gap होगा.
नहीं sir.
We analyze this.
They don't want to express actually.
Oh, really? Okay, I think the speakers are happy to see Ramvilas' name here. So congratulations, Ramvilas ji. Very happy to announce this. You are bagging the third position in June-July Dhamaka. And your best credits are team handling and good responder. तो मेरे ख्याल से एक तो speakers ने बता दिया कि Ramvilas is a very good responder. So I agree with that, Mr. Ramvilas. And about team handling, of course, आप टीम को कुछ बोलते नहीं हो. संपदा और राज सब तो टीम को झाड़ते रहते हैं, टीम को डांटते हैं, तो मेरे ख्याल से टीम हैंडलिंग का टाइटल आपने ले लिया। Anyways, I will realize it, Ramvilas ji.
Thank you, Deepa, and thank you, Lakshmi Solution.
I think you must thank the speakers first, क्योंकि वो लोग आपको बहुत ज्यादा तारीफ कर रहे हैं। All right, so congratulations, Ramvilas ji. Ramvilas ji, as I do Sampada, the same thing is for you as well. Work on to the weak points which is not there with you, या फिर आप जो कर नहीं पा रहे हो, आपको ऐसा लग रहा होगा कि मैं बहुत ज्यादा कम्युनिकेशंस कर रहा हूँ या फिर मैं बहुत ज्यादा इन्फ्लुएंशियल वर्क कर रहा हूँ जहाँ पे मेरे पास ये काम करने के लिए टाइम नहीं है। So it's that should be like avoided. You have to like actively be active on to other activities also, क्योंकि वो जो other activity वो शायद आपकी पोजीशन को और डाउन करने का चांसेस है, तो I think you should not leave for that, right? Yes. So work on to Ramvilas ji, and congratulations. Very happy to see your name here and happy. Yes. And please थोड़ा कुछ शेयरिंग मेरे साथ भी कर लो, आपके बारे में बहुत बोल रही हूँ, ठीक है? Sir, allow for that. Yes. So moving ahead to the next position, that is Miss Ankita. So Miss Ankita, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Hi Ankita. Ankita, you are standing here in 4th position in June July Dhamaka and active response and social media influencer. As I already said you, Ankita, your activities are very, very good. There might be some small things where you are lagging. That is all about revenue and certain things. I think वहाँ पे आपको थोड़ा work करना चाहिए. I think you're going to stand in a very good position. All right?
Yes.
Of your other activities the same, क्योंकि आप वो activities में और भी competitors बनने वाले हैं आपके साथ. All right?
Yes.
Congratulations, Ankita.
Thank you, ma'am.
And the next is Mrs. Anaga. So, Mrs. Anaga, are you here? Mrs. Anaga, your voice is not audible. Headphone निकाल दो. अभी भी आवाज नहीं आ रही है. No. Anaga,
Please reach. Yes.
It's audible now. Yes. Yes. So congratulations, Anaga. You are back in 5th position, but we were expecting you 1st position. I'm not.
Yes.
But anyways, it's good that you have achieved the position. Yes, Anaga, as like I can say, you are actually dealing with a certain sector wherein you can be on top. This is what I can say.
Yes, I will.
And
Yes.
Anaga, your credit score is multiple role handler. Wow, that's good. Round of applause, people. Round of applause to Anaga. Yes.
Thank you.
लेकिन मैट्रिक्स में कोई क्लोजर नहीं हुआ सर. आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड आपने मल्टीपल हैंडलर कैसे अनगा को लाइक हाउ द मैनेजमेंट सेलेक्टेड दिस.
There is a lot of parameters actually.
Really?
And second things क्या होता है ना कि आप जब पैरामीटर्स में देखते हो तो जिसको सबसे ज्यादा रैंकिंग होती है ना उसको दे दिया जाता है. अब उसमें पैरामीटर्स में इनका नाम पहले आ गया तो डेफिनेटली.
अच्छा, सो लाइक ओके, कोई पैरामीटर्स आ गया अनगा, लेकिन अगले बार हम इसको चेज करते हैं. क्या बोलते हो सर?
100%. नहीं, अभी तो कंपटीशन बढ़ने वाला दीपा. दिस इज रियल फैक्ट.
बिल्कुल. Good job, Anaga. Very happy to see
Thank
you here, but expecting in top 3. Okay, so
Yes, sure.
and you can do that. All right, congratulations.
Yes, thank you.
Yes. Going to the next slide. That's all about the next position. It's all about Rajeshwal, Mrs. Rajeshwal. Round of applause to Mrs. Rajeshwal. तालियां नहीं बजेगा तो राज किसी को हैंडल नहीं करना, ठीक है ना? बोल दो मैं बिजी हूँ, कोई भी कॉल्स क्लोजर नहीं करना, ठीक है? Alright, good job, Raj, your credit score is here on to all rounder. So basically, Raj, टेंशन मत लेना. अरे दीपक कितना काम देते हैं, वो भी काम देते हैं, ये भी काम देते हैं. हाँ, ये सब काम देते हैं, इसीलिए आज you are into this position. So enjoy your work. That is the most important thing. And congratulations, Raj.
Thank you.
हो सकता है राज, it would really frustrate to some extent, क्योंकि हाँ multiple काम जो होता है, of course it happens, because like मैं ये बोल सकती हूँ कि like others also have certain work, but that might be related to most of the field, but your we are like looking out in a generic way, तो इसीलिए ये हो सकता है. But take it in a like very casual way, and I think that is like added a credit score onto you. So congratulations.
Thank you, Deepa. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Raj. So moving ahead to the next position, that's it. किसी का position और नहीं है. Alright, so I would like to give a position here. So special thanks and round of applause to one. किसको हम तालियां बजा सकते हैं और किसको हम appreciate कर सकते हैं. बच्चे, everyone please unmute yourself. Yes. So कोई ऐसा है जिसको हम appreciate और तालियां बजा सकते हैं?
Yes, ma'am. Manali, ma'am.
Of course, yes. Like we have certain criteria. जिसका नाम इसमें नहीं है, उनका.
Bhagwati sir. Bhagwati sir.
भगवती सर. भगवती सर को क्यों देना है? हाँ, क्यों देना है भगवती सर को? Right?
Actually, they want to impress me. Now they will.
All right. So, like, yes, it is like your guess is right. Yes, बच्चे. So, like, a round of applause. First round of applause. जोर से तालियां बजाओ. तालियां जोर से आपको ही मिल रही है और किसी को नहीं मिली. हाँ, ये क्या बात हो गई? हाँ. All right. So altogether, so it is a very big credit score, Mr. Bhagwati, to you. Thanks for adding your support everywhere and thanks for showing your presence everywhere. I personally know मैं कैसे काम थोपती हूँ उस पे बैठ के struggle करना. I know that exactly, like what struggles you do and how it happens. So it will be completely incomplete. And specifically, I would like to say to speakers like Raj sir ho, Sujesh sir ho, Tabresh sir ho, Praveen sir ho. It is like मैं ये जरूर बोलूँ. Like accepting things is most important thing. What I had seen in my boss, that is Mr. Bhagwati. So like most of the ways, most of the तरीके से मैंने देखा है कि जो चीज नहीं है वो चीज को नहीं है एक्सेप्ट काम करना या फिर वर्किंग ऑन टू मेनी डिफरेंट क्राइटेरिया स्ट्रेटजीज दैट रियली मैटर्स. एक सपोर्ट अगर जब मिल जाता है तो उस सपोर्ट को एक ताकत बना के आगे जाना मैंने देखा है. तो दैट इज समथिंग लाइक व्हाट मेड आवर टीम टुडे एंड दैट इज समथिंग व्हाट like I can say like we are today all together. So congratulations, Mr. Bhagwati. I think this achievement, this working, this process is all about the support and the confidence of what we all together have. And so it's all your efforts. So thanks to all your efforts. Thanks for touching all the staff here. हमने कोई barrier जो बना के नहीं रखा है. I think that is really very flexible. And thanks for adapting the things. And thanks for happily moving ahead. So altogether, a big kudos and congratulations and a round of applause once again, Mr. Bhagwati.
Thank you, Deepa. Thank you, team. Thank you for this appreciation and all the stuff. के कारण आज हम जो कॉन्फिडेंस हमारा जो और हाई हो रहा है, जो कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ हम काम कर रहे हैं, because of आपका सपोर्ट is always matter. Your support is always matter for me. You are always encouraging the new things, and you also adopting the new things. Whatever we are thinking, whatever we are doing, the new technology, new R&Ds, new things we are doing in the organization. We are making the lot of stuff, lot of enhancement, and lot of things we are doing. And so you guys are adopting all the stuff, and you are enjoying that, and you are always flexible. So these are big things for this success and this wonderful, appreciation and this wonderful event like that. And second things I want to add, I think लोगों को ये पता होगा कि अभी भी एक पर्सन बाकी है. ऐसा नहीं है कि अभी यहाँ भगवती सर के पास जाके लास्ट हो जाता है. Right? Agreed people, you are agree with me?
Yes sir.
एक पर्सन जैसे अभी हमें परवीन जी ने एक बात बोली थी कि अगर राजलक्ष्मी के सपोर्ट की बात करूंगा तो रामविलास जी के नाम के बिना अधूरा. राइट ना? तो सेम अगर मैं बात करूंगा कि राजलक्ष्मी की जहां पर या अप्रिशिएशन की, तो एक नाम के बिना ये सब चीजें अधूरी रह जाएगी. मैं परवीन जी आपका अवार्ड ले रहा हूँ.
हाँ, थैंक यू वेरी मच. और भगवती जी खाली रामविलास जी नहीं बल्कि संपदा जी, मनाली जी, अंकिता जी और आप सब लोग बैक ऑफिस में रह करके जो आपका एफर्ट डाल के जो हमको सपोर्ट करते हो, इसी वजह से हम हमारे बिजनेस को स्मूथली रन कर पा रहे हैं। तो आपके जो सिलेक्ट किए हुए विनर्स हैं, डेफिनेटली वो विनर्स है, लेकिन जो विनर्स नहीं है वो भी एक्चुअली हमें उतना ही हेल्पफुल है जितने बाकी सब थे। तो मैं सबको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ और बहुत बहुत कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन देना चाहता हूँ कि उन्होंने हमको ऐसे पेंडेमिक के समय में सपोर्ट करके हमारे बिजनेस को रन करने में हमको हेल्प की। बहुत बहुत थैंक यू, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
थैंक यू प्रवीण जी। प्रवीण जी, अभी और आगे कुछ नाम आने वाला है, आपके नाम निकला उनका भी है, तो वो भी देखिए, आप और खुश हो जाओगे। भी वहां पे सही होगा। जस्ट स्टे ट्यून, थोड़ी देर पे फिर हम आपके पास आते हैं, ठीक है ना?
So one name, so एक नाम अभी भी पेंडिंग है, तो पीपल आई थिंक आप नाम लेंगे या मुझे लेना है?
दीपा
मैडम।
दीपा मैम।
ऑल ओवर थिंग्स, जो देखिए आज की डेट में लीडर, एक अच्छा लीडर होना, एक अच्छा मोटिवेटर होना, एक अच्छा एडवाइस, राइट वे में एडवाइस करना, अपने स्वार्थ को, अपने सेल्फिशनेस को छोड़ते हुए, और विदाउट टाइम लाइनिंग, विदाउट बियॉन्ड द टाइम, 24/7, इन सभी चीजों को आपके साथ हेल्प करना और आपके पर्सनल लाइफ में भी आपको हेल्प करना, ये जो चीजें हैं, और एक जगह मतलब वो पूरा एक पैकेज जो है, पूरा पैकेज मैं ये जरूर बोलूंगा कि दीपा है। That name is Deepa Chinadurai. So
thank you, pleasure, my pleasure.
For dedication, all your motivations mean the sense you are doing motivate to the people in terms of your experience and knowledge, in terms of the जो people, जो HR का जो रोल नॉर्मली ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में मैंने देखा कि people are बोलते हैं यार वो HR से मैं बात करने नहीं, but in this organization touchwood people want to talk with the HR only, क्योंकि वो उसको वहां मिल जाता है जो वो एक्सपेक्ट करके जाता है, मैं बोलूंगा कि उससे ज्यादा मिल जाता है। तो this the things, the way you are working, the way you are thinking, the way you are connecting, all these things is really appreciable. So it's again they no word, but thank you very much.
Thank you sir. It is actually pleasure, I must say. Thank you for giving me the space, and at the same time thank you for trusting me. I think that is the most like precious and the biggest bond what we have. So I think that trust is the most important thing, and I think that will last for so much for all your words. I think this is again increasing my responsibility. I must still do better with these words. Thank you so much, sir. Okay. So now moving ahead, अभी हम आगे चलते हैं. We have many more things here to go. So all about AMC toppers, specifically this is going to be related to ERP9 Tally Prime. So the AMC toppers are Miss Priyanka and Miss Simran. So round of applause to all these people, Mrs. Sampada, Miss Priyanka and Miss Simran. Congratulations Sampada, congratulations Priyanka, and congratulations Simran. You are the topper into AMC. हमने कुछ पैरामीटर्स और क्राइटेरिया यहाँ पे भी रखा है, तो you scored it well, so you are onto this. I hope you will focus on AMC, ताकि हमारे कस्टमर्स को सस्टेन करके रखना बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है, but the same goal and motivation, that is customer satisfaction. All right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Perfect. So moving ahead to the next topic, that is Tally on Cloud. Wow, Tally on Cloud, the topper is one and only Anam. So round to Anam. Anam, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Happy?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, okay, good job, Anam. Tally on Cloud, you are the topper on Tally on Cloud. As I said, the parameters, you have crossed up the parameters and you did well. So Tally on Cloud में और थोड़ा अच्छा नॉलेज एक्वायर कर लो. रामविलास जी को ये पोजीशन से हम थोड़ा हटा देते हैं, उनका नाम बहुत आ रहा है, वो मुझे रिप्लेस करना है, ठीक है ना? यस
Yes, ma'am.
यस बोल दूंगी तो कल मुझे वो टीम में लेंगे मैडम, है ना?
दीपा जी, रामविलास जी को हटाइए मत, इनको उनकी साथ में और ऐड कर दीजिए,
नहीं सर, एक
हमें-
डीलिंग कर लूंगी,
हमें और
रामविलास जी
सपोर्ट
के
मिल
साथ।
जाएगा।
नहीं, एक डीलिंग कर लूंगी रामविलास जी के साथ। रामविलास जी 50-50 आपके और मेरे बीच में, तो फिर मैं नहीं हटाऊंगी, ठीक है ना?
Sure.
Okay, so thank you Adam, and congratulations
Thank you,
बच्चे,
ma'am.
do good. And the next position is module topper, Simran, and the name is of course Simran. So hearty congratulations, Simran. Module is completely like Raj Lakshmi's effort, I can say. So you have reached up the parameters. Very happy for this, and focus much on to module, Simran. ठीक है ना?
Yes.
So because I just want like a identity, to create our own identity, and that is created our own something, I can say. Okay, so focus on to modules and you can just do it. All right,
Thank you, ma'am.
congratulations, Simran. And the next is TSS topper, Mr. Ramvilas. So round of applause to Mr. Ramvilas. Congratulations, Ramvilas ji, good job. You are standing as a TSS topper. You have done a good job on TSS, and hoping you cover all the TSS customers, I can say, and TSS, all the customers, and increase the numbers of TSS. All right.
Yes, Deepak. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Ramvilas. And the next award goes to Duhita. So Duhita, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Duhita, I'm not finding you. You are available on?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, he is here.
Yes. Firstly, I would like to announce something to the people here. So that is all about Duhita. As I can say, Duhita is best person into techie or technology. She supports us a lot onto like Bittrex or Tally, etc. तो यहाँ पे हम ये सारी चीजों को एक साइड पे रख देते हैं. The most precious thing is like she's stepping into like the next level of her life or next step of her life, which of course हर एक लड़की के लिए जो सपना होता है, आज शायद वो सपने पे like पैर रखने जा रही है. शायद कुछ लोगों को पता होगा, कुछ लोगों को पता नहीं होगा. Yes, she is bright to be, and her engagement is already done, and shortly she is going to get married to her dream guy, I can say. Is it true, Duhita?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Duhita, I think shortly you are going to take a break here from the job. So that's the reason हमने सोचा इसी special event पे आपको हमें रखना ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. So that's the reason I told you to be here, Duhita. So congratulations, Duhita. As a best resource, you fulfill most of our requirements. So now, as a best daughter-in-law, as a best wife, as a best partner, you are supposed to fulfill the position there, I can say, or the requirements, I can say. So go ahead with lots and lots of positivities. We all wish you all the best for your future, and congratulations. A special token of love and a special credit is going to add on in your life. And so from Raj Lakshmi Solutions Private Limited, we are going to give a special token of love for you. Shortly, it will be credited into your account. You can choose your best onto it. All right?
Yes.
Long way to go with our relation as well as with your personal relations. All the best for your life, Duhita.
Yes. Thank you
So
so
round of
much.
applause to Duhita. Yes. So congratulations, Duhita, for supporting our organization, and all the best again.
Yes. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, Duhita. Thank you. And the next is Best Social Media Transformer. So, Mr. Vijay, are you here? Vijay, your voice is not audible, Vijay.
विजय का माइक जो है
Vijay, you are supposed to unmute yourself. Request you to unmute yourself.
Hello.
Yes. All right. So, let me just tell a few things here that is all about social media. As the pandemic arrived, there were so many things which really changed up the things. At that moment, yes, Vijay, you stepped in as a transformer, I can say. You added of the values into our organization, specifically when I talk about social media. Much, Vijay, for your wonderful add-on and support. Today we are presenting digitally in a very positive way. That is all by your support, I can say. So congratulations, and you are recognized here with the credit score and with the title here as Best Social Media Transformer. So congratulations and round of applause to Vijay people.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Congratulations, Vijay, and thank you so much for supporting all of in terms of to present ourselves into social media and digital. I hope you will stay with us for long and long, and you'll add on much more ideas, credits with us.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Thank you so much, Vijay, and congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am.
Right. So the next title is all about the cash prize winner. So here we have multiple cash prize winner, and the names are Mr. Mayuresh, Mr. Praveen, and Ms. Manali and Mrs. Ashwini. So round of applause to all of these people. So Mr. Mayuresh, Mr. Praveen, Ms. Manali, and Ms. Ashwini, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Hearty congratulations to Ms. Manali, Mrs. Ashwini, and Mr. Praveen and Mr. Mayuresh. You are scored here the cash prize, and you are really doing well and put on your efforts to achieve the position as well along with this cash prize. All right?
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
तो प्रवीण खुश हो गए, मनाली का नाम आ गया,
आ गया
नहीं प्रवीण का नाम आ गया. That is the real love and bond and affection what we actually expect in this work from home scenario. So request you, everyone request you all to please have this forever, because this is the most important thing which we are supposed to have in this work. So congratulations to all of you. I'm really happy to announce all your names in this top list. So now it's completely over to you, Mr. Bhagwati. Request you to please add on your words here to the winners.
So overall things in this scenario, in this pandemic scenario, 1.5 year we are working. So overall, this is these all things are happen. We are in this position. We are, after the all struggling, we are moving a next step every day, every time we are moving ahead in the next steps. This year because of all of the supports. So these are the big things. And second thing is confidence. Third things, all coordinations, all just unity of the all peoples. And fourth things, this is a big challenge for everybody. Listening me in the all hard word. जो सुन करके भी आप यू आर जस्ट स्टिक विथ अस कि आप सुन रहे हैं, बस इस एक चीज मैं आपको जरूर बोलूंगा, इफ यू आर लिसनिंग द हार्डवेयर एंड चैलेंजिंग वर्क डेफिनेटली, सो दिस इज this is always this is your second level of the growth. So these all things are, I think this always this always for the best, and you are putting your all efforts success and next level. So for my side, Deepa, and yeah.
Thank you, Mr. Bhagwati. So altogetherly, I would like to tell the winners, everything this time we have done through cash itself. There is no surprise gift, or we have not planned on gift. It's all about cash, because I think cash is the real requirement as of now. So you all will be getting your cash prize and the awards. The details will be available with Mrs. Rajeshwal. So Mrs. Rajeshwal, if people need any clarification, request you to please update their clarifications over there, and the cash will be credited by tomorrow. Is that fine, people? So
Yes, ma'am.
संडे शॉपिंग के लिए जा सकते हो, और मुझे भी लेके जा सकते हो, और मुझे कोरियर भी कर सकते हो. तो like what you are planning?
एड्रेस मेल कर.
Hi. Thank you so much. This is enough for me, and enjoy yourself. And speakers, a special thanks to you, and I think you really enjoyed our session today. Shayad you did feel bored. This is what the major purpose of this event, what I really like kept in my mind. So hope you all enjoyed.
I would like to add one thing, Deepa here. Initially, I was wondering कि 3 घंटे क्या चलेगा. You are really a wonderful host, actually.
Thank you so much, sir. It's my pleasure. I'm very happy that you enjoyed 3 घंटे. आपने सोचा कैसे चलेगा, कैसे चला पता नहीं. This is biggest credit for me. Thank you so much. Yes. All right. So like togetherly, Mr. Sujesh and Mr. Praveen, आपको और कुछ बोलना है? And Mr. Tabresh also, would you like to add on something here?
Nothing. We hope that other kind of sessions will be invited again in the future.
Invited. मैं पकाने के लिए मैं हूँ, तो of course आपको बुला लेंगे, ठीक है? All right. I hope this session was really productive to everyone. Thank you so much, Mr. Bhagwati, for your time, and thank you so much, Praveen, for your time, and Mr. Suresh, thank you so much for your value.
Thank you.
And Mr.
Thank you.
So much. And you added really a valuable points. I think that is going to like add on to our life as well. हमारे colleagues हो या फिर and everyone to the market, we are going to present this, and this video is getting recorded and this will be updated into the YouTube as well. So आपको भी अगर जाके watch करना है, आपको भी पता ये करना है कि ये time हमने 3 घंटा कैसा निकाला या फिर 2 घंटा कैसा निकाला, तो आप जाके जरूर YouTube पे देख सकते हो कैसा निकाला. All right. So thank you everyone. Yes, Mr. Ramvilas. Mr. Ramvilas, you say some words. That would be great for me.
Once again, thank you for Tabresh sir and Praveen sir and Sujesh sir for joining with us, and thanks a lot.
Yeah, thank you.
Pleasure.
Thank you.
All right, people. Thank you so much, speakers. Enjoy your day. Stay safe. Stay confident. That is the most important thing. I request the speakers to please leave the call. Thank you for your presence. We will connect you personally. So thank you so much, Mr. Tabresh, Mr. Praveen, Sujesh, and you can leave the call now.
Yeah, thanks. Bye.
Bye. Take care. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.